Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot browse your any browser or use the App Store on iPad Pro 11-inch 4th generation. And to fix this, we'll need to first see what the problem is, and here is the App Store. And if we try to open it or download something, there's a connection problem. The same is with Mozilla Firefox, as if we try to refresh the website, there's a problem. And to fix this, we'll need to open up the settings, navigate to the general, then date and time, and right here set time automatically. From now on, our App Store should work fine. And that's the same thing with Mozilla Firefox. We can open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.